This is Janelle Penny, senior writer for Buildings Magazine, and I'm here with Brian Grohe. Brian, what am I looking at?
So this is a fixed dynamic dome skylight. It's a polycarbonate skylight that's designed for use in commercial and industrial applications. This product can be installed in new applications and is also really good for installing in retrofit applications as well.
Great. Now, you mentioned that you do a lot of replacements. What are some of the problems with older skylights that you're running into?
So the three most common problems with older skylights is they're either leaking from various points in the unit. They've degraded to a point where the skylight itself has changed colors. A lot of times they turn yellow and even lightest brown from UV degradation. Or they've cracked and they've created fall hazards for anybody who's working on a rooftop, roofers, HVAC contractors, anybody like that. So with this product, we've come up with some new ways of overcoming those issues. From the water side or the leaking side, most people think skylights are leaking. They're not really leaking, they're just condensating. And that condensation has nowhere to go, so they fall inside the building. Newer skylights like this have built-in condensation channels and ways of reducing the amount of moisture that forms. And when it does form, they have channels to move that water from the frame to the exterior of the building, so you don't get it inside the building.
Great.
A lot of the materials like this unit have polycarbonate lenses. That polycarbonate material is much more stronger than traditional materials, and it's also a lot more UV resistant as opposed to other materials that were used in the past. So they won't yellow like old skylights, and they'll last for a lot longer, which in turn will keep people safer because they won't crack, they won't break as easily, so people on the rooftops will be safer as well.
Makes sense.
For building owners who have old skylights, it's a great retrofit application to replace old, broken, or leaking skylights with newer skylights with better technology.
Here, makes sense. What are some of the options out there? You mentioned that polycarbonate is one of the materials. Are there other ones?
There is. So impact modified acrylic has kind of become the industry standard. It's a better version of acrylic. It's got rubberized pellets that are extruded into the sheets to make it a strong material. That was the baseline for many, many years. Now it's moving a little bit more towards polycarbonate, mostly for the longevity and stronger impact resistance. You can do different things with colors and shapes. This is a proprietary dynamic dome shape. We also can do round pyramid domes. You can use different glazing configurations, single glaze, double glaze, triple glaze. You can get bronze domes. So there's a lot of different options out there to meet the needs of existing buildings to replace in kind with products that match.
Sure. How do you know what kind you need? Is it always about replacing in kind, or are there guidelines?
It's replacing with similar products that are already installed. However, with building use changes, different ownership, a lot of times people are trying to upgrade the products that they have on the roof to the best technology available. A good example is a lot of old buildings have smoke vents in them that were installed prior to sprinkler systems, ESFR sprinkler systems becoming more prevalent. Now that those sprinkler systems are installed in many buildings, a lot of times old smoke vents can be retrofitted with fixed skylights at a much smaller cost than smoke vents. So we can help with those types of things. We can help determine what is installed already and what may be the best product to go back to.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.